Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to write the first literature review draft using AI. Today I am using basically two AIs, ChatGPT 4.0 paid version. I am using paid version because I have the paid version, but you can do these things using free version too. Apart from that, I am using SciSpace free version. So basically today I am going to show you how to write your first literature review draft using ChatGPT 4.0 and SciSpace free version. And I thought to do this tutorial using an example rather than just teaching the tutorial and showing how to use these AIs. So today my research title is that impact of pay on the employee performance. So let's go and see how to draft the first literature review using these two AIs. Okay, now we are on the dashboard of ChatGPT 4.0 and now we are ready to give our first prompt. Actually my prompts are very simple because I don't like to use very complex prompt. You will understand shortly. And now I give my first prompt like this. I am going to do a research study and title is impact of pay on the employee performance, and this is a quantitative study and independent variable is pay, dependent variable is employee performance. I want to write the literature review. First give me the outline for the literature review. So this is my first prompt. Really easy. Now I'm going to teach you one of trick that I'm using, and here actually ChatGPT automatically generate the outline. Then we can directly copy the outline from the ChatGPT dashboard and paste onto our Word document. But we can be really smart here. Then now we can ask directly, please generate the outline in a Word document, then give me the link to download. Then automatically ChatGPT generate the outline on a Word document and give us the link to download. Really smart. Just within few seconds, ChatGPT generate the outline in a Word document and give the link us to download. Just what we need to do, click this link to automatically download the Word document like this. So this is the Word document created by ChatGPT and it contains the outline for our literature review, and also there is the main heading literature review outline with our title, and also there are 6 subheading introduction to conclusion, and the flow is really amazing. I am really in love with this work of ChatGPT, and you can see there are subpoints for each subheadings, even to write introduction and also conclusion. And actually I think many of my clients struggled about how to start the literature review. At that kind of situation, this can be identified as a really great help. Actually I want to say that this outline is not 100% correct, but this can be used as an assistant, or as an guideline to start your first literature review draft. So this is really amazing. So now we have the outline. So now we need to find the information to write that, and let's take one subheading to find the information. So I am showing an example like I'm taking 3.1 under empirical studies on pay and employee performance. So 3.1 is relationship between pay and performance. So now we are going to find the research article findings related to this subheading, relationship between pay and performance. So what you need to do, that you need to copy this subheading and go again to ChatGPT 4.0 dashboard and give you a second prompt like this. The prompt is like, I want to write for relationship between pay and performance. Please give me 5 keywords or search terms to find the information to write this. Actually here you can give 5 or 10 or 50, 100 as you wish. But here I'm doing a tutorial, so that's why I gave as 5 keywords, and ChatGPT gave me 5 keywords like this. Now I am copying these 5 keywords and go to my outline in the Word document and paste under the related subheading like this. Let's highlight our subheading in yellow color for more visibility, and there are 5 keywords, and now we want to find the information related to each keyword. And first what you need to do, you need to copy one keyword like this, and next move to our next AI SciSpace. And don't forget to say thank you for ChatGPT. Now we are on the SciSpace dashboard, and today we are using the free version. Actually, SciSpace is everything for a research student, and there are a lot million of things I want to talk about SciSpace, but I think I don't want to waste my words. I can show you, and from here today with tutorial and also in upcoming tutorials I will show you how we can use SciSpace for our research study. Today you are going to learn about literature review part of SciSpace. Also, smash the literature review icon here, and here there is a search box appear, and you need to paste the keyword here. Just within few seconds it generates the output like this, and here we are using the free version, so that's why answers from only top 5 papers. And actually you can see, and also you can click the read more section like this, and there is the section like the correlation between pay and employee performance is a well researched area like that. There's some kind of well concise summary about the findings to get an idea about the relationship about pay and employee performance. And also here in the these text citations are clickable. Once you click one in-text citation, you can directly directly go to the real article like this. Also you can see these answers from top 5 papers, means these papers are very recent papers, and we no need to filter here or anything. It's automatically generated information from the very recent articles. Now you should click save to notebooks, and just within few seconds your SciSpace notebook appears in the left corner like this, and all the findings abstracted from the top 5 papers include here with the clickable citation. And also in the downside we can see in this section we can see we can change the our citation style as we want, and today I'm choosing the APA style, so I'm keeping this as it is. And also here you can see this is our full reference list of the articles and all things here. Now you need to click export, and we can export this notebook information into a Word document. So this is the SciSpace downloaded notebook. So for one keyword like that, you can save all the information related to all keywords into one notebook and download in a one Word document like this. And actually now you have the information. So this is how we can find information related to each keyword using SciSpace, and do same thing for these remaining keywords to find the information. And this is how you can draft your first literature review using ChatGPT 4.0 and SciSpace free version. Actually you can use ChatGPT free version too, but I am not sure, it may not generate the advanced accurate results like ChatGPT 4.0. And I think it is enough for today, because there are a lot to talk. But I think if I teach everything here, you will get complicated and complex. Actually I don't want to make this research lessons and complex, because I know that it is already complex. So that's why many of them don't like and afraid to learn about research writing. So it is enough for today. And also I have a special offer for you. If you love to buy, you must buy SciSpace. You can use PMSHA20 to get 20% off for the monthly plan, and also you can use PMSHA40 to get 40% off the annual plan. So I will put the link in the description box. And also I am teaching basic statistics for researchers on my LinkedIn. You can follow me on LinkedIn to join with this tutorial, and it's completely free, and we have started in last week already. We have done our first lesson, and this all the free tutorials, AI tutorials, and also subject tutorials you can download from my website completely for free. And also there are some workbooks too, if you want you can get. So that's all for today. I think that's enough, and all the links I will put in the description box. You can get if you want. And also I think if you have learned something new today, and if you learned something today, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, because it really inspired me. I am spending a lot of hours to create this kind of content, and I'm sharing this totally free. And also don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn, TikTok and Instagram for daily AI writing tips. And thank you for watching. I will catch you soon in next week with another video. Bye bye.